Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we'll be talking about pre-10x Hydrating Frizz Fixer Cream. This cream is specially designed to tackle frizz, hydrate and smooth your hair. The best part, it claimed to give you that sleek, glossy look without weighing your hair down. I have been using this for a week now, and let me tell you, it's been a total lifesaver for my hair. It's completely packed with moisturizing ingredient like oils and butter to lock in hydration. It's also supposed to protect your hair from humidity, which we all know in the ultimate freeze enemy. It's free from paraben, silicone, sulfide, which is awesome if you're trying to keep your hair routine clean and natural. The texture is super creamy and smooth and not too thick, just enough to feel like a coating your hair without making it greasy. I usually apply to damp my hair just a small amount. It spread really easily and I love how lightweight it feels. Instantly it adds shine and gives that nice sleek, soft, silky hair kind of look, exactly like a salon style hair. Also want to say if you have extremely fine hair, then you might need just a tiny amount because it can feel a bit heavy if you over apply. Overall, I'm really very impressed with this hydrating cream. It definitely become a staple in my hair care routine for keeping frizz at bay and adding hydration in my hair. If you're someone who struggle with frizz and want something that work without leaving your hair greasy and weighing down, I highly recommend giving this a try. So yeah, that's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.